Hi guys, how are you people? Hoping you're doing well. It's Kendy here and I'm back again in the new video. If you're new here, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to show me support in any shape, any form, either by liking, commenting, watching and also subscribing to my channel. May the Almighty God bless you so much. And guys, take a moment, subscribe, like, leave a comment below and turn on notification bell so that you can be notified anytime that I upload a new video. And guys, on today's video I'm doing a special work that I've been given. We are planting maize today, and so I want to take you through every step that you do, especially on digging holes. Then you fill that hole with manure, and let's do this. That is the manure, guys, that you are using. It's very fine because it's from the cow dung. Just you can see the texture of it, so fine and very fine. This is the whole space that you are planting maize today, and we have to complete it. And here I'm taking my manure to the hole so that I can fill each hole with manure. And this is what I'm doing. So this is what I'm doing, and this is how we do. If you have a different way, comment on the section below and let me know how you do it. When you're planting maize, let me know the procedure. We see if they are if they are rhyming, the procedure, my procedure and yours. Enjoy what I'm doing.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.